Hey, I'm Polina, your commerce queen, and today we are diving into the real question every store owner should be asking right now. How do I prepare my store for the biggest e-commerce season of the year and turn it into a serious profit? Let me tell you this. If you play your cards right, fall can make your entire year. We are talking major demand, new customers' behavior, and back-to-back money-making holidays. So, if you're still waiting around to see what happens, this is your sign to stop because Q4 is coming and it's not going to wait for you. Here's the big picture. Each year, e-commerce sales skyrocket in the fall. In 2024 alone, US e-commerce revenue during the fall season crossed $340 billion. And it's not just Black Friday or Cyber Monday anymore. You've got it. Back to school, Labor Day, Halloween, Thanksgiving, early holiday prep. Each of these moments is a selling opportunity, and buyers are not only active, they are ready to spend. Now let's break down what that means for you. If you're even selling 56 trending products consistently through the season and each brings you $100, $300 in profit per month, that's an extra $2,000 to $5,000 monthly profit easily. And that's just from fall. I love fall not only for the cozy vibes and hot drinks, but because it literally prints money when you're prepared. Now, before we go further, let's align on what fall actually means in e-commerce. You might be watching this from Mexico, Australia, or sunny California, where it's still 90 degrees outside. But e-commerce? That's all about the American market. So when we say fall, we mean cozier home vibes, outdoor tailgates and barbecues, early gifting, family-focused shopping, Halloween hype, Thanksgiving prep. That's the mindset you're selling into, not your local weather, but US buyer behavior. Let's look at the key commerce moments ahead and what they mean for your store. Back to school, August, September. Parents plus students equal huge spending window. Focus on backpacks, lunchboxes, desk organizers, headphones. Labor Day, early September. Begin home garden and DIY sales. People look for final summer deals, grills, patio upgrades, outdoor lighting. Halloween, October. Costumes, party decor, scented candles, themed mugs. Trending every year. Cozy lighting, ghost lamps, funny pet costumes. Thanksgiving, early holiday prep, November. Think dining accessories, hosting gear, warm apparel, gifts. This is when people start buying early gifts and prepping their homes. These products don't just sell, they make people feel something. That's the magic of fall. Black Friday prep, late November. Warm up with bestsellers and bundle offers. High-ticket electronics, household goods, winter gear. Stock your catalog early. So how do you actually prep for all this without burning out? You use Sellvia, and here's why. Product packs for every season, seasonal bestsellers, weekly trending hits, holiday-ready bundles, high-ticket fall products. Zero guesswork. We research, we test, we bundle. You just choose a pack and we upload it to your store. Marketing tools that sell for you. It's not enough to have a great product. People need to see them. That's where Sellvia's built-in marketing tools come in. Want traffic? Turn on Sellvia ads, AI-powered campaigns across Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Google, and Amazon. You set the budget, and the tool handles everything else. Targeting, scaling, optimizing. Need content for socials? Use the social media marketing tool. You'll get ready-to-go post, images, captions, hashtags, and even posting templates. No design skills needed. Just download and post. Want to promote on YouTube? Grab the YouTube tool, 50+ high-converting videos with descriptions and thumbnails. Done for you. Choose your product, post the video, and watch the views and orders come in. Need to follow up your visitors? Sellvia email marketing tool is 100% automated. It captures leads, sends promise emails, and turns browsers into buyers without writing a single subject line. Together, these tools work behind the scenes to drive traffic, build trust, and bring people back to your store again and again. You just turn them on, and they work for you. This is your Q4 moment. Whether you're starting from scratch or already have a store, fall is the time to get ahead of the curve. Go into your dashboard, grab your seasonal product packs, turn on your marketing tools, and start building momentum now, not later. Because those who prepare now, they're the ones making the real money come November. Everything I mentioned is right below this video. Links to product packs and trending tools. Start now, not someday. Because the fall season isn't just cozy, it's crazy profitable. I'm Polina, and I'll see you inside your dashboard.